Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to connect your Supercell ID to Clash Royale. First, launch the Clash Royale app on your device. Once the game loads, tap the three lines in the top right corner to open the menu, then select Settings. Look for the Supercell ID button, usually prominent, and tap it. You will then have the option to either log in with an existing ID or register a new one. If you are logging in, simply enter the email associated with your Supercell ID. For new registrations, you will also provide an email address. Supercell will then send a unique 6-digit verification code to that email. Open your email client, retrieve this code, and carefully enter it back into the game when prompted. This step securely links your game progress to your Supercell ID. Connecting your Supercell ID offers several great advantages. It ensures your game progress is always safe and accessible, even if you switch devices. You can also effortlessly manage and switch between multiple Clash Royale accounts on a single device, which is super convenient. Plus, you gain access to special in-game rewards and can easily add friends to play with. If you encounter any issues during the process, first ensure you have a strong and stable internet connection. Sometimes, a weak signal can prevent the connection from completing. If problems persist, try clearing your game's cache or even reinstalling the app. For more complex issues, Supercell's support team is always ready to help. Remember to check the description for a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.